good evening, children.
Good evening, ma'am.
Today we're going to go ahead with the prize distribution ceremony. On which exam? Can you tell me? The spelling test. The spelling test, yes. So without further ado, let's start. Alright. So the first person coming up on stage is Abdhija Balo for scoring the highest. Come up here. Clap for her, please. Yay! So Abdhija, this certificate goes to you.
Thank you.
Heartiest congratulations for performing so well. You got the proficiency certificate. Alright? Okay. Go take your place. Oh, you want to say something? Yes?
Thank you to everyone.
Welcome. Take. So the next person who scored the second highest in this exam is Akansha Das. Okay, Akansha will get next. Congratulations. Keep it up.
Thank you, everyone.
Alright, now others, you have to work hard, okay? Means there were a lot of mistakes, but you have participated, you were not absent in this exam, that's really good. Means participation is really, really important, alright? Next time you will do better, okay? So now participation certificate, first one is Aryan Shaw. Aryan, come up. Clap, yes. Okay, Aryan, congratulations for participating. Next time you'll do better. Aishika, Bera, come up. Aishika, congratulations. Next time better, okay? Next person is Aarav Gupta. Yes, last but not the least, Aarav, the birthday boy. Okay. Aarav, work hard next time, okay? Heeral, yes, next, Heeral. Heeral will get next. Okay, congratulations.